All right, we're going to start with the veins superior to the heart. So we have the superior vena cava. It's coming out of the top of the heart. This is the superior vena cava. The superior vena cava branches into two branches here. These are the brachiocephalic veins. Brachiocephalic, brachio meaning arm, cephalic meaning head. If we follow the pathway of one, you can see it branches twice again. It branches once into the head. This is the jugular vein. And then it branches a second time into the arm. This is the subclavian. And then when it gets further into the arm, it is called the brachial vein. Okay, so one more time, this is the superior vena cava, branches into the brachiocephalic veins. Those branch even further into the jugular, which goes into the head, and the subclavian. And then when it gets further into the arm, it is the brachial vein.
All right, next we're going to look at the azygos vein. And the azygos vein is a branch off the vena cava. And you can see the thoracic veins are draining into the azygos vein. And it's on the right side of the cat. So there's a lung and a liver that I'm moving aside here. And it runs parallel to the vertebral column. And that's the azygos vein on the right side of the cat.
Okay, now we're looking at the inferior vena cava. So we're inferior to the heart. So here's the heart. And then the vena cava is coming out the bottom of the heart right here. And it's going right into the liver. So that is the inferior vena cava. Okay, now we're following the inferior vena cava down, and the first branch we see here is the renal vein. It's the one that brings the blood from the kidney. And then we follow the inferior vena cava down even further, and then you're going to see it branches right here into the legs. Right here into the legs. Okay, now we're looking at the veins in the legs. So first, we're going to start up here with the common iliac veins. If you follow the inferior vena cava down, and then it branches right here, 1, 2, those are the common iliac veins. If you follow a common iliac vein to this vein right here, this is known as the femoral vein. And then when you follow it down, it branches and clearly goes deeper in the leg. This is known as the deep femoral vein. And then this long one here, that is known as the great saphenous vein.